It's been a dark December for South Africa as Eskom battles a power crisis with widespread load shedding. Industrial customers too are having to bear the brunt of a meagre power supply.
This thing is affecting our GDP also. We cannot sell more cement. That's a simple arithmetic in terms of economic scales. And then further to a worst case scenario, we might even have to face job losses.
PPC is the largest cement producer in southern Africa. Cement production is highly energy intensive, from the mining of the limestone until it is bagged for delivery. Electricity alone accounts for 40% of the company's total expenses. Since 2008, the company has implemented programs to optimize energy usage, which includes integrated demand management projects.
We've been able to keep on running, we've been able to keep on producing, and we've been able to minimize the lost production that we have. But that is because of the nature of the cement business and not necessarily because of the severity of load shedding. We are able to compensate because of the systems we implemented.
PPC spends around $30 million on power annually. Since being on the IDM program, which ensures optimum use of its operating equipment, it has managed to save about 3.5% in electricity consumption.
We've implemented what we called a simulation and control system. We can determine exactly with all the, let's say all the parameters of the system, what the best time will be to switch on and switch off certain equipment. And by doing that, we can then schedule the use of the equipment in such a way that they use the minimum amount of energy in the peak periods.
PPC is also heavily involved in infrastructure development in Africa's #2 economy. The regular power outages also causes delays in cement delivery and completion of infrastructure projects.
If South Africa doesn't grow, South Africans don't build. We don't have money for infrastructure, that means we don't sell cement. So the energy crisis in South Africa will have a severe long-term impact on PPC as a company, mainly because the infrastructure market will be depressed.
Running energy-efficient programs without the help of Eskom can be very expensive. With the 12.69% increase in tariffs expected next year, it's going to get tougher, especially for companies like PPC. Halting the IDM initiative at this stage is also likely to erode any power and cost savings made thus far. Sumitra Nadu, CCTV, Johannesburg.